Bluey raced through the park chasing Bingo fast. Suddenly the fountain burst higher than ever bright. Muffin shouted, "Look at that water! Could something be hiding inside?" Bandit ran over, pulling Chilli close quick. Rusty pointed to the spray glowing red. Indy whispered, "That's not normal. Could it be magic?" The fountain cracked open wide. Water spilled across the ground, roaring. Socks barked loud, jumping back. Could a creature be emerging? From the spray rose a water giant tall. Its body shimmered like glass clear. Bluey gasped, amazed and afraid. Could it be friendly? The giant stomped, shaking the earth hard. Bingo clutched Bluey's paw, shaking. Rusty shouted, "Get ready, team!" Could they defend themselves? Bandit grabbed a branch like a sword strong. Chilli spread her arms, protecting Muffin. Indy leapt forward, bold, fierce. Could courage stop a giant? The giant swung a watery fist huge. Bluey dodged, rolling across the grass quick. Bingo tossed a rock into its chest, splash. Could that even hurt it? Suddenly the giant froze still. Its voice echoed like a river deep. It asked, "Who dares face me?" Could it want a challenge? Bluey stepped forward, brave, loud. She shouted, "We are not afraid." The giant leaned closer, glowing eyes soft. Could it be testing their hearts? The fountain behind them began to swirl. A doorway of water spun open round. Muffin squealed, "It's beautiful. Could it lead somewhere new?" The giant handed Bluey a crystal droplet shining bright. It pulsed with light in her paws, warm. Bingo laughed, "This feels alive. Could it be a key?" Rusty yelled, "The portal is closing fast." Indy pushed everyone forward quick. Bandit shouted, "Hold tight now." Could they make it through? They leapt into the portal, glowing. The world twisted into waves of color, endless. They landed in a cavern of treasure bright. Could this be another realm? The giant's voice echoed, fading. Use the droplet wisely, young ones. Bluey held it high with pride strong. Could adventure only grow bigger from here?